Hello, everyone. Welcome to From Zero to Hero, your ultimate journey into the world of data analysis, where numbers become stories and you transform from a curious learner to a data driven superhero. So, join Poliza, the fearless monkey, as he swings through the data jungle, discovering the tools, techniques, and tricks to unlock the power of data. From mastering Excel to diving into the world of big data, each episode will take you one step closer to becoming a true data hero. So, whether you are just starting out or already you are on your way, get ready to embark a thrilling adventure where every data point counts. It's time to put on your cape because the world of data is waiting for you. So, throughout this series, we will use this curious monkey Polisa to become a data hero. Okay, so this episode series will guide you how you can become a data analyst. Okay, so your journey in data analysis. Thank you.